Hey magical babes, Adelina here, and welcome to my DIY wooden crate video where I'm going to show you how I transformed this plain wooden crate into, well, not this rainbow looking theme that I originally had planned, but into a starry night, which I really love. With a snap of my fingers, I cast a spell to complete this side of the crate. So I went ahead and started with a dark blue at the top, slowly moving to a lighter blue as I reached the bottom, doing a gradient effect, going layers by layers. I really love the way it turned out, and it's really cool looking too. Of course, I went ahead and did all sides of the crate, making sure I did not leave any spots of plain wood everywhere. I did a small amount of baby blue on the inside bottom and as well as outside as well. I'm sorry, it's been a while since I did a voiceover. After I was done doing a full coat of paint, I used my Uni Posca pens and my Sharpie paint markers that I got from Walmart. You can get these wooden crates from Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, or any craft store. I kept seeing them all over Walmart and wondered what they were for, and so I saw a few videos on YouTube where people use them in their house. So I decided to put my paints in it. But all of them were just solid colors, so I decided to do a customized wooden crate video where I did stars, clouds, sparkles, planets, comets, and constellations, all of my favorite things. And I really do love the way it turned out. After I was done doing the long sides of both sides of the crate, I did the smaller cubicle sides, and I didn't really go all out as I did with the other sides. I just did simple clouds and sparkles and stars, though on the side I did add a moon, which I do love. The metallic of the Sharpie paint markers is my favorite. I've never used them before, but I do really love the sparkle and glow that they do give this piece. After I was done, I used some Mod Podge in gloss so that way my paint project would stay protected, as well as use some glitter sparkles all throughout it to make it look like actual stars. Of course, I did 2 coats of the Mod Podge because I love this crate so much. I thought it was too precious not to do so. I wanted to make sure it was always protected no matter what. And this is how it was, and this is what it is now. I really hope you magical babes enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a like, and even subscribe to my channel. I also made a TikTok, and I'd love to see you follow me there. Until next time, magical babes, I really hope you have an enchanting day. Goodbye!